Welcome to Siding Institute. We are going to start answering to sheet 1, Chemistry 1-1. The question reads, question 1, the radius of an iron atom is 0.128 nanometers. What is the length of iron atom radius in centimeter, meters, millimeter, and picometers? So what have we been asked? We need to understand the question. The question is just asking us to convert from nanometers to the named units in the questions. So when it comes to conversion of units, we need to be very, very serious. All right. So in chemistry, it is very, very important that you know how to convert units, because most of the questions will involve in application of units at the end. You may know how to calculate, but if the units are not okay, you end up losing marks. All right. So this calls us to what we are actually talking about in the first lecture slide about conversion of units, about the prefixes. Okay, we are talking about the prefixes. These are the first letters which we use to describe some units. For example, this question they have been told to convert in nanometers. Okay, when you hear the word nano means 10. Okay, 10 to the power -9. That's how we write this. 10 to the power -9. All right. So that means to convert this into meters, we are going to multiply this by 10 to the power -9. So our first question is to convert into meters, into centimeters. All right. So what we are going to do is this. All right. So we are going to multiply this. We are first going to convert into meters, because we can't convert directly to centimeters. So we're going to say 0.128 multiplied by 10 to the power -9. By so doing, then we have converted this into what? Into meters. Now, how can we convert meters to centimeters? To convert meters to centimeters, we multiply by 100, we all know, and 100 can be written as 10 to the power 2. It's one and the same. So we're going to multiply now this by 100. So we're going to say 0.128 times 10 to the power -9 multiplied by 10 to the power 2. If we are adding the same bases, if we are multiplying the same bases, we add the power. So we're going to have 10 to the power -9 plus 2. -9 plus 2 is actually 10 to the power -7. So we're going to get, our answer is going out to be 1.28 multiplied by 10 to the power -7 centimeters. All right. So this is how simple you convert this into what? Into centimeters. Very, very important. Now, how can we convert into meters? Very simple. So we are just bringing this step. We multiply by 10 to the power. Because of nano, you shouldn't forget, we are following this prefix, nano. So to convert to meters, because it is nanometers, meaning they are saying that meters times 10 to the power -9. All right, this is how simple you handle the question. So to convert to meters, we're going to say 0.128 multiplied by 10 to the power -9 meters. Okay, like this. Like, that's why I was saying that it's one and the same. How can we now convert to millimeters? Converting to millimeters, it's very, very simple. Okay, it is very, very simple. So what we are going to do, these are the steps you need to follow. Okay, I can write from here. I don't need to use another page for this question. All right, so to convert to millimeters, our first step is to convert this to, once we convert to meters, we have this. After we convert to meters, we are going to convert to centimeters, because millimeters these are smaller units than centimeters. So I'm going to convert now to centimeters. So these are the steps you need to follow if we haven't been asked to convert first in centimeters and meters. After we convert from into meters, we have this. We convert to centimeters, we have this. Now from centimeters, now we can take now to millimeters. What we know is that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So we are going to multiply this answer by 10 so that we may have our radius in millimeters. So we multiply by 10. Multiplying by 10 is same as this one is raised to the power 1. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are adding the powers. So it's negative 7 there. We are going to have something like negative 7 plus 1. Okay, so we are going to have negative 6. Very simple, guys. I don't know someone can struggle answering this kind of equation. Times 10 to the power negative 6. Questions you will receive in more especially test 1. They like asking this kind of question because test 1 is multiple choice from 1 question to 50 questions. Millimeters. Okay, now go ahead and try out this question. Go ahead, try out how you can convert into picometers. So now how can we convert nanometers to picometers? Alright, so guys, you can now see how important of not underrating some notes. I was saying this, don't underrate any notes. This we are just dealing with the prefixes here to handle this question. Okay? Okay, what about when you hear pico? Pico means 10 to the power negative 12 because pico means 12, okay? 10 to the power 12 meters. So what you are going to do is that what you have been given, you multiply by 10 to the power negative 12. Now, here we have been given is picometers. Also here we have been given nanometers. So we are going first to take this into meters. Alright. Why are we using meters? Because we know that meters are the standard units of length. So you take first in meters, then you continue with your further calculations. So what you are going to do is that taking this into meters, we already have that in meters. We have this, okay? We have 0.128 multiplied by 10 to the power negative 9 meters. Alright, so we're going to multiply. We are going to multiply now by 12, okay? We are going to multiply by 12. Multiply this by 10 to the power 12. Okay, now my question is, I want you to see this. Are we going to make this to be negative 12 or 12, the positive one? Okay, so when you look about these other questions, we were coming from what? From meters, then we convert to centimeter, which centimeters are smaller than meters. And from centimeters in this question to what? To millimeters, of which centimeters are what? Are bigger than what? Millimeter. That's why we are adding a negative. But when you see this, we are now from meters to what? To picometers. So this kind of this part now we are not going to multiply by what? By a negative here. It is different. That's why let me remind you of something. When we are converting from meters, we had 0.128 times 10 to the power negative 9 here. When we are converting to centimeters, we didn't multiply to the power 10 to the power negative 2. We multiply to the power 2 positive because 1 meter is made of what? Is made of 100 what? 100 centimeters. So even here, the issue is one and the same. Okay, it means to say that this is made of 12 million. Okay, yeah, it is made of 12 million. Our meters are made of 12 million what? Picometers. So we are multiplying by a positive 12. So we get our answer to be 0.128 multiplied by 10. Now we are adding the powers negative 9 plus 12. Okay, so what we get at the end, negative 9 plus 12 is 3. So we get our 0.128 multiplied by 10 to the power 3. We say picometers. So this is the end of our today's tutorial. If you find the video help, consider subscribing to the channel. You like the video, you also hit the notification button so that you may not miss out on uploaded videos. Don't forget to reach out when you have any question or you want the full solution to this tutorial sheet. Reach out at this number, WhatsApp me, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Alright.